The Evolution 7405 format is an extremely flexible CNC machining center for a wide variety of materials and machining processes. Thanks to the XXL passage height of 1200 mm for the workpiece and the optional door package, the Evolution is absolutely versatile and offers precise milling of all 4 workpiece edges. The Connect package also allows the milling of pockets for many different fastening systems in a single machining operation. The Campus Evolution software suite of the machine automatically calculates the clamping positions required for machining. The machining simulation can be used to test the accuracy of the programs before running the machine. This simulation is even more realistic with the optional Better Sim module shown here. Pre-programmed macros facilitate the programming of lock cases, hinges, and handlebars. The ergonomic mushroom-shaped button activates the gentle vacuum clamping. Pressing the Start button starts the complete program sequence. The door blank is perfectly milled all around, and the necessary reclamping cycles in the machine are performed fully automatically. Tool changes are also fully automatic and CNC controlled. The special angular aggregate of the Evolution Connect also offers the possibility of milling pockets for standard and special hinges into door blanks up to 920 mm wide. Even without the Connect option, you can do this by manually turning the door before a second run. Six tool positions and a maximum tool diameter of 110 mm allow flexible machining of doors with and without rebate. The fully automatic adaptation to material thicknesses of 8 to 70 mm makes the Evolution an absolute requirement in your workshop. The rubberized pressure rollers always ensure a safe workpiece support. The Connect option also offers a patented 7th tool position, which enables the aggregate to be used in the X and Y directions. After the lock and lever handle holes have been drilled, the lock case macro starts automatically. An angular gear specially developed for the evolution enables the insertion of lock cases of different sizes. Of course, milling out light cutouts and profiling is also not a problem. Individual engravings can also be easily applied. You can be completely assured by the precision and versatility of the evolution from HOLZHER, CNC efficiency with little space requirement.